Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about the weather in everyday English. Weather is something people everywhere mention when starting a friendly conversation. By the end of this session, you will know simple and natural ways to describe what the weather is like around you. When you want to know what the weather is like, you can ask simple questions such as, "How is the weather?" or "What is the weather like today?" Another way to ask is it sunny or raining? These are polite and very common ways people begin small talk or daily conversations about the day. Use these phrases whenever you want to ask someone about the weather outside. When the sun is shining brightly, you can say it is sunny. Another natural way to describe this is the sun is shining. If the day feels cheerful and bright, you can also say, "What a beautiful day." These simple sentences are great for expressing good weather and positive mood. When there is rain falling, you can say it is raining. You can also say, "It is a rainy day," to describe continuous rain. A friendly reminder you might say to someone is, "Do not forget your umbrella." These phrases help you talk naturally about wet and rainy weather. When the wind is blowing strongly, you can say it is windy. Another useful phrase is, "The wind is blowing hard." If the air feels very strong, you can laugh and say, "Hold onto your hat." These are everyday ways to describe windy weather when speaking English. When the temperature is low, you can say it is cold today. If you feel very cold, you can say, "I am freezing." When you see snow or ice outside, you can describe it by saying, "There is snow on the ground." These sentences will help you talk about winter days and chilly weather easily. When the temperature is very high, you can say it is hot today. If you want to describe stronger heat, you can say, "It is very hot today." You might also say, "The temperature is high," or simply, "I am sweating." Use these expressions when the weather feels warm or uncomfortable. When the sky is full of clouds, you can say it is cloudy today. Another option is, "The sky is full of clouds," or "There is no sunshine right now." These expressions tell others that the weather is gray but not rainy. They are perfect for ordinary days without bright sunlight. When snow is falling, you can say it is snowing outside. You can also describe the view by saying, "The ground is covered with snow." If everything around you looks quiet and white, you can say, "Everything looks white and peaceful." These are simple sentences to describe cold, snowy days. Let us quickly review what we learned. Use "it is sunny" for clear skies. Say "it is raining" when there is rain. Use "it is windy" for strong air. Say "it is cold" for low temperature, and "it is hot" for warm days. You can also say "it is cloudy" when skies are gray, and "it is snowing" when snow is falling. These everyday weather expressions will help you sound natural when talking with others in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.